Hi, my name is Kate and I'm here with the latest purchases I have from Sezane. If you are new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for tuning in, and subscribe if you want to see more. If this is your first Sezane video, I have a million more where that came from because that is a brand that I truly love. They're based out of Paris and they have a store location in New York and Paris, and I believe they're opening one in LA in the fall of 2018. How old am I? 2018, and then I think they're opening up a London location. So lucky you who live near there. If you're just investigating the brand, yeah, you're gonna love it. So I have three t-shirts, this tote bag that comes free if you are new to Sezane. A lot of the orders that you come in, especially new season orders, so this is the summer collection, you get a tote bag. So I love this one. It is one that I'm adding to my collection. And then I got this dress, which I tried on for the clips. I'll show you exactly how everything looks on, and I tried on for the clips and I didn't take it off because I love it so much. So I think I will get started with the Augusta dress, which is what I'm wearing right now. So the Augusta dress in this color, which is the ecru multicolor, that's what it is online. The composition is 93% cotton and 7% math, 7% metallic fibers. And you can see here in the close-up how beautiful the metallic pieces, like the stripes, are. What's really funny is that this dress is the only one that shows off the metallic part of the fabric. So this fabric is found in a dress called the Lexia, which is a shirt dress with sleeves, and as well as a blouse called the Adelie. And I am seriously considering getting the Adelie blouse because I think this fabric is so beautiful. Within those two listings, you don't really see how beautiful this fabric is because the way the photos are taken, I think they're like more in the shade or like an overcast, so you don't really see the reflection and the gold and how beautiful it really is. So, which is too bad, but here I am telling you about it. So if that is something that you like, if you like the look of this fabric, go and snap that up because it's so pretty, and I really want the Adelie. And I actually tried it on. It's a one shoulder blouse with a ruffle, and I actually tried it on in New York, which I did a video of, and I will link that here. And it is true to size. I got a size small in it, and you can find that blouse also in Nordstrom, in the one that I was wearing in the video. This one isn't in Nordstrom. This fabric isn't at Nordstrom yet. So absolutely love this dress. It is a maxi dress. It is adjustable for the straps right here, which is really nice for me because I have really I want to say shallow shoulders, but I just don't have much shoulders at all. This is always my problem area for fitting into things. Usually things are too big right here and then too small at the bottom of like my waist where my love handles reside. But this is really lovely. And then the waist is elastic, so it's really comfortable and fluctuates with big dinners and whatever you eat throughout the day. So highly recommend this dress. It did come in, I just looked at it and it is sold out, which is crazy because I thought I saw it in 3 sizes this morning. But Sezane restocks everything on Wednesday mornings. They're at 10 a.m. their time, which is 4 a.m. our time. And believe me, because I'm such an addict, I've been up at that time. But they also have 2 other fabrics. So they have this gorgeous cashmere print, and it is this like beautiful paisley one, and I believe that's 100% cotton. I have the Abby blouse in the print. So this is, yeah, so if you want this dress in here, it might be restocked on Wednesday mornings. And it's beautiful. I think that is the most like friendly, like casual, most wearable fabric. This one is because it's white and you have to hand wash it. I don't know if I'll wear it around my children a lot, but if you have more of an active lifestyle, I think this fabric is better suited. And then it also comes in this really gorgeous black print, which has like gold leaf on it, and it's so pretty. At first when I saw that fabric, I was like, oh, that's okay. And then I saw someone on Instagram like explore the Sezane hashtag, and it is beautiful. And they have it in the Abby too, and that's also at Nordstrom. I will link everything I'm talking about below because I'm kind of everywhere right now. But highly recommend those. Highly recommend the Abby. This one fits small. I would go up a size in this one, and then this one fits true to size. I'm a size 4 in it, which is a size 36 French. And then I will go on to the La Superbe t-shirt. This is 100% cotton, and it is a bit of history when it comes to the brand. So Morgane Cézane is the owner and founder of Sezane. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that name. It is French, and again, I'm Canadian, so I'm trying my best. Anyway, this is one of the first prints when she started the company, the first screen prints that she did. So she also did a collaboration with Madewell, and this was one of the pieces that is in sweatshirt form that she broke into the United States with. So I was really happy when she got this one. I think when she re-released it this season, a month ago, the proceeds went to charity. So she has this domain charity initiative that she does, but it was only available to French citizens, which is like super cool, like very patriotic. But I was like super sad because I couldn't get this. So she gave first dibs to all French citizens, and then I just had to wait. And when I was searching for their new summer collection, this just kind of popped out of nowhere at the bottom and I could purchase it. So I'm super happy to have this. I feel like it is a piece that is very special to the Sézane brand, and it just makes me feel like I'm a part of it all. So I really love it, and I'll show you how you can style it. I'm actually going to do a whole video on how to style a graphic tee because I think there's some great ways of doing it. I got this in an extra small, and I actually really like the way it fits. I don't really like loose t-shirts. I just don't think it looks good on me because I have like a small bust size and I don't have many shoulders. Like, it looks really sloppy on me. So I went down a size on this, and you'll see what that looks like. I'm usually size 2 to 4 in shirts. The Abby, again, is the only one that I went up to in a size 6. But I love the way it fits, and it goes, I think, with everything. So yeah, watch out for a video on how to style a graphic t-shirt with this one as the example, because I have so many ideas swimming around in my head, and I would love to share that with you. What was really fun about the summer collection is they had a theme. It's Andiamo, which is Italian for let's go, I believe. So they had this whole Italian holiday theme behind this look, and they like aptly named this t-shirt the Luigi, which I thought was so funny. And thinking back on it, I'm like, I'm not sure why I love this so much, because there's so many things that are beautiful in Sézane, and I'm like, this is a plain t-shirt, but I was being very practical, and I wanted something that was beautiful and I could wear all the time, but would also be interesting. So this is the back, and I think it is so pretty. I love yellow on me. I think yellow is such a pretty sunny color, and this is a plain t-shirt, but it is so like interesting. So I really love this detail that comes in a black with multicolored braid, and then it comes in a nude color. So the yellow looks good on me. The black I have a lot of. Actually, I have 2 more Sézane items coming up, earrings and then a t-shirt. So I'll try to show you guys that too. But yeah, I love this t-shirt. It's 100% cotton. I think you still have to hand wash it because of the braid detail. Yeah, gentle wash at 30 degrees, so wash in cold water. And yeah, you'll see that it can just go with anything. And I really love the neckline of it. So I have really round features, and I kind of avoid like big loopy shirts because I just don't think that neckline looks good on me, like a scoop neck. I'm not really a fan of that shape. It's good quality. It's a good quality t-shirt. I have a hard time buying good quality t-shirts that are just plain because I just find it very, very boring, even though it's like a basic. It's like one of those things that you don't like spending money on, but you should. So like pajamas and stuff like that, I'm like, I don't want to spend any money on that. But a t-shirt that is nice and basic and has this beautiful detail, I'm all in for, and it will go with everything, and I'm really happy to wear it this summer and add some color into my wardrobe. If I do add color, it's usually pink or yellow. So here's the yellow. I'm very happy with it, and yeah, highly recommend. So next up is the Lucie T-shirt. This also comes in white. It is sold out online too. The Luigi is completely stocked, so if that's something you're interested in, that's there for you. Otherwise, this guy will hopefully come back on the restocks on Wednesday mornings. And it's also available in Nordstrom, so if you're one of those lucky Americans, check that. I'll have that linked below. But I tried this shirt on in New York. Again, I can't link that again here, but I'll link it below, my New York trip. And I didn't walk away with it then because the back is very low. Like, the back is gorgeous. I'll show you what it looks like here. But I'll show you what it looks like on, but it's very low. So I tried on the small and I tried on the extra small when I was in the New York store. And because I was traveling, I didn't have like all of my undergarments with me. So I didn't know if it would work, and I didn't really like the look of showing my bra. So I didn't walk away with it, but it haunted me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna figure it out. And I figured it out. So I'm super happy to say that I found a bra of mine that works, and it is one of my favorite ones because it's really comfortable, and it's by a local designer named Rosalie Loney. Rosalie Wynn is her brand, and I will link that below, and I actually have a whole blog post reviewing her bra, and it's so comfortable. And so super happy to get that. But if you are looking to get that dress, get a low back t-shirt like this one, I will show you exactly what you can also do. So one of my solutions is this low back converter. So this is a little strap system from Aerie, and it has a black and a nude strap, and this is what happens. So what you do is you attach it to your existing bra, and it wraps around your waist. So if you are okay with having like your waist, like it's basically like wearing something like at your waist, like an elastic waist. So if you're okay with that feeling, I think this is a really good solution for you. It only has two little prongs. Let me show you what it looks like. So I think most strapless ones won't work, but two little, there you go. And then on the other side, so it just like wraps around you. And then it comes in blacks. This is $24.95 Canadian. I'll link that again below. But it's a really good solution for anything that you have that requires like not showing your undergarment. So I don't like saying the word bra, so that's why I say undergarment. I'm sorry if I sound 80 years old. I really love that. A few notes on the Lucie. That is part linen, so you definitely have to hand wash it. And then it's lace, so it's pretty delicate. And it keeps falling off the hanger. So what happens is I would go down a size. I got a size small, and when I tried on the extra small in New York and I tried on the small, the difference I was looking for was the height of the neck. And it didn't really make a difference in that, and I didn't really feel a big difference between the two sizes in general. You'll see what it looks like on me, untucked and then tucked in. And I think I would, again, this is a problem area for me, so everything is big right here. So I would size down in this shirt. So I should have gotten an extra small. It doesn't really bug me that my strap show where this comes off the shoulder, because that happens to me all the time anyway, and I'm used to actually tailoring that area. So if this annoys me, I'm just gonna get it, I guess, tailored, because it's a beautiful t-shirt. It's probably my most beautiful t-shirt. I think it is such an amazing piece because it's casual, so you can wear it for the day or like work with like a blazer, and then it's like the perfect date night piece. So just take your blazer off or whatever else you wear at work and show this like sexy back, and everyone's gonna be like, holy moly, you're so hot. And I just like, I just love this. I think it's such a great design. I love the white too, but I have so much white. I did like a recent, I'll link below, but I did like a recent thing where I'm like, look at how many white blouses I have. Especially this is the Alois blouse. This is Sézane. This is the Nina, which is like old Sézane, which I absolutely love, the first piece I got. So anyway, I have a white problem, so I needed to get a different color, and the only color I came in was black, so that's what I got. I think that's it. I think that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Again, I have 2 more pieces coming. If you're interested in seeing that, I will do an unboxing because I sent that here. I'll do the unboxing, I think Tuesday is when it's coming. So I'll link below. I'm at Kait Boss on Instagram. Yeah, otherwise subscribe if you want to see more. Please, I've had people like contact me and ask me questions about Sezane, and then, you know, you just kind of make a little, a couple like new friends through here. So I really love hearing from everyone, and yeah, please connect with me in the comments or on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, but Instagram and YouTube are definitely where I am the most. So please say hi, please subscribe, and yeah, have a great day.